Here is Mangesh Borkar sir, Director Sambodhi Career Academy, Mumbai, Thane. And yesterday we started our 20 days foundation course, which is very important. Sharvari, yes. Sharvari Landge. Sharvari Landge, yes. Sharvari, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Sharvari, okay, thank you. So yesterday we started our program for this UPSC Civil Services examination, paramilitary forces, NDA examinations, and even we added in that international civil services career also. Okay. And with respect to this program, just now I have told with you that we shall start all the sessions. In all the sessions, we shall cover those all possible topics which are very required with respect to future competitive examinations. All of you are studying in 8th, 9th, means like few are in 8th standard, few are in 9th standard, few are in 10th, 11th, and 12th standards. Okay. But you people gathered over here because you are having one specific aim, that is to qualify some government examination in future, and that is a topmost government examination in future. And with respect to these government examinations, what is important, why we started this program specifically for the students belong to 8th standard to 12th standard, because it is very important to decide our aim at this age. Yesterday only I have told you that many of the students, they don't have their aim, or they are decided like some kind of decision, they don't to take any decision. We follow a traditional pattern, which is very important to do 10 to do 12 to pursue graduation. That is very important. But our aim is that you people, you students should uh, like decide your specific aim at this age. Okay. If you decide your aim at this age, at your school level, so it will be very beneficial for your further career. Because what actually happen many a times, when we finish our graduation, so at the time of our graduation, we attain 21 years of our age. Okay. When we finish our post graduation in, okay, we attain 23 or 24 years of our age. When we go for long duration courses like medical, engineering, or law, at at we are at the age of 22 or the 24. Okay. For the medical students, they attain their degree of medical education, MBBS or BMS or BHMS, at the age of 24. Okay. And that's why it is very important to decide uh, s- these particular aim, okay, at the school level, because it will help you to start preparation at least at the graduation level and to attain your target at the age of 22. So I welcome Milind Dumbere sir here. And Milind Dumbere sir join from Pondicherry. Milind Dumbere sir is a senior most IPS officers who qualified UPSC Civil Services examination uh, in 2006 batch. And we were associated since Delhi. We were also at Mumbai when we started preparation for civil services examination. सर आपका जो ये जो है माइक जो है ना वो, that you need to start. No, that mute, हाँ, mute वाला जो बटन है. हाँ, yes, yes, yes. So after a long time, it is opportunity for the students, those who join with the Sambodhi Career Academy, because whenever Milind Dumbe sir visit to Mumbai, so he interact with the students of the Sambodhi Career Academy. I still remembered when when he visited to Mumbai. Twice he visited to Mumbai. So that time he visited to my Kalachuki branch and he interacted with the students. And then at the Thane branch also he interacted with the students. So without taking much time, because time is less, and I give introduction. Milind Dumbere sir, basically BE. Okay, engineering degree. He is a BE engineering degree holder. Eventually, he started preparation for civil services examination. He qualified civil services examination. We were together for the mains examination that time, and he qualified in a 2006 batch, and he joined in AgMud services. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram, and Union Territories. So, just a minute. Sir, are you there?
Yes, I am there. Just give me 1 minute. I have some.
Okay. Ha.
Just 1
Okay.
minute. Some emergency is there. Just 1 minute.
So he joined services in 2006, and ultimately he posted at different states of India. So he was at Nagaland, I think, right? Nagaland. Posting? Mizoram. Yes, Mizoram. So he posted at Mizoram, then Delhi, okay, and now at Pondicherry. So he is Deputy Inspector General, DIG of Pondicherry right now. Okay. So it is like very, it's a great opportunity for all of you and to you students that you are getting a chance to interact with such a senior most IPS officers. So I will appeal all of you ki Milind sir will discuss with you few things about this career, police career, why to get into administration, what is the importance of this civil services, and ultimately what is the importance and benefit to join police services, how you can deliver social justice or like a support system to the civilians of our nation or that periphery where you are getting your posting. Okay. So without wasting time, I welcome once again Milind ji, and now over to you, Milind sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, friends, my dear students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
We are fine, sir.
We are fine, sir.
Fine,
Yeah,
sir.
very
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Fine,
Yeah.
sir. Fine.
So, friends,
Fine.
first, dear students, I want you to speak. I mean, you ask me your doubts, your questions, and then I will get an idea what to speak and what to say, because you all are, young, very young, and I want to know your mind. What are your doubts? What you want to have your aim? What you want to become? And what you want to know from me. So please speak one by one. Anybody, any doubt, anything you want to ask, so that I will know what I have to, how I have to deliver my class.
Sir, I want to ask, what should we do after being a IAS officer?
IAS officer is itself a job, So once you become an IAS officer, you have to do justice to your job. You have to do justice in the sense the job that you are meant for, that you have been selected. You have to do it with all sincerity and honesty. It is like once you become an engineer, suppose you get a job in a company, maybe a good company, so you have to do your job well and contribute to the best of your abilities for the society. So that is what I feel once you become IAS or whatever.
Good morning, sir.
Batao, bit follow.
This is Mansu Tagare from Nasik. Sir, what could be the physical training for application of IPS officer?
Physical training.
Yes. Or basic things that you can guide us.
See, once you get selected, so already they train you in the academy. Okay, so it is not necessary before that you need to do something before. It's better if you do, if you do some physical activity, but it is not absolutely necessary, because once you get selected and once you join the academy, they already train you for those physical things. Okay, so right now it is not absolutely necessary. If you feel, if you have time, you can do some physical activity, maybe a little bit running or maybe jogging or kind of thing, some physical activity. I think for you people, it is more important to play some good games. rather than thinking of gymming, because at such age you don't require gymming and some running. Do participate in sports activity. That is the best thing. Sports activity in schools, you have your sports activity, participate that. Play games, whatever games are being played, maybe having cricket, football, badminton, whatever. So whatever, have some sports activity. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. I have a query that what is your experience in this field?
Yeah, the beta experience is very good. You get a lot of responsibility. Every day is challenging. You get a lot of common people who are, who are in need of help. You help them, you feel happy. They also feel happy that I'm being taken care of. I'm being looked after by the senior officers very well. So people like that, and it's a very good experience. Very good experience.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. I am Ritugandha from Mumbai. I want to ask that how hard is UPSC preparation and the exam?
See, obviously, it is, I should say, highly competitive exam. A lot of competition is there. And for that, you need to be mentally strong. It is not like other exam, university exam, because other exam, the passing percentage is 35, 40%. In school, you have 35, 40%, whatever passing percentage, भाई 100 में से 35 मार्क्स मिल गए तो आप पास हो गए, तो सभी पास हो जाते हैं. तो किसी को 100 में से 90 मिले तो वो भी पास हो गया, किसी को 100 में से 40 मिले वो भी पास हो गया. बट ऐसा यूपीएससी में नहीं होता. तुम्हें आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में बेटर करना होता है बाकी लोगों से, सो दैट यू गेट सिलेक्टेड. सपोज अगर 100 सीट्स है और तुमने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दिया है, तो आपको उस टॉप 100 में आना पड़ेगा. जो 101 का रैंक होगा वो सिलेक्ट नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ओनली 100 सीट्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके, सो बेटा, it is highly competitive exam. Definitely it requires a lot of preparation, and with proper guidance, with proper strategy and advanced planning, you can do well.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
My
thank
name
you,
is
sir.
Vinu, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I want to ask you that as per you, what is the correct age to be IAS or IPS?
I feel that as far as possible, around age of 25, you should be able to get selected, and it should not be more than 28. Somewhere between 22, some people get selected at the age of 22 also. So, but in general, I will say somewhere between 22 to 28 years, you should get selected, or that is the right age to join the service.
Good morning,
Hello,
sir. This is
good.
Srishti today. I would like
Uh,
to ask that when and how did you start preparing for UPSC exams?
Beta, I started preparation for my exam after doing my engineering. I didn't start preparation like you. I didn't have so many of questions as you are having at your age. Okay. So I started my preparation when I completed my engineering. Then I thought of appearing for civil service exam. It is like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir. Good
I'm
morning.
Kanishka.
Hmm?
I want to ask, why do mostly engineering students qualify for civil services? Is it due to the lack of opportunities, or does it help to crack the exam?
No, it is not the lack of opportunities. It is the civil service, that nature of the job, that attracts people. लोगों को सिविल सर्विस जॉब के बारे में बहुत अट्रॅक्शन होता है. काही लोगों को नाही भी होता है, काही लोगों को होता भी है. काही काही लोकांना अट्रॅक्शन असतं, काही काही लोकांना नसतं. तर ज्यांना अट्रॅक्शन असतं, then after they score good marks in 12th, they get admission in good engineering college, they do engineering, and then they come to civil service. As well as arts people also come, people from other field also they come, people from Hindi medium also appear for exams. So it is all mixed, because since many people who are bright students, they go to engineering, medical, and then they think of civil service. That's why we feel ki many engineers and professionals or doctors appear. But all people from all field appear for the exam.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Umang Sangode from Bhandara. I have to ask you that in which age you cracked your UPSC exam?
I cracked my UPSC exam late. I was already at the age of 31. I cracked it. 31, 32.
So then how much attempt you had taken?
I had to take 5 attempts.
5 attempts.
Sir, this is finished.
Yeah. Tell
Give
me.
exams for the means sir for Air Force.
Repeat again.
Sir, means what should we do? Means what I just prefer to go means air to take a job in Air Force. Which I just preferred.
बेटा देखो एयर फोर्स के बारे में नहीं पता मुझे. आपको ऑनलाइन में देखना पड़ेगा. हाँ एनडीए, लेकिन एनडीए का एग्जाम आई थिंक समवेयर पर्सन हु इज आफ्टर 12th दे कैन अपीयर फॉर after doing the 12th they can appear for the NDA exam.
Yes, at the
18 years I think.
So when you appear for your 12th standard, so that time you can go for that NDA examination, and the maximum age limit for NDA is 19 and a half.
Okay.
Avnish, we shall have a separate session related to NDA, so that time all your queries that will be clear. Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I had a question, like, how did you prepare for your examination? Like, what was your study method? Or can you share something about your preparation?
Beta, my way of preparation was, first of all, I joined the coaching classes, and after that I started my own self preparation. And it is only through self preparation you can achieve success, because just by reading notes or just by joining classes doesn't mean that you will be able to be successful. Your self study is equally important. So depending upon the subject you are studying, you should have the knowledge of good basic books, basic author जो होते हैं उनका बेसिक किताबों का लर्निंग अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए. आपके अपने नोट्स रेडी होने चाहिए, नोट्स बनाने चाहिए, इंपॉर्टेंट जो टॉपिक्स है उसके अपने खुद के हैंड रिटन नोट्स होने चाहिए, सो दैट वंस द क्वेश्चन कम्स यू कैन आंसर इट प्रॉपर्ली. एंड बस यही था प्रिपरेशन का तरीका.
सर,
excuse me, sir. Sir, for prelims, journal knowledge is included in the paper of prelims?
Yes, it is included. Yes.
Okay. So my name is Anushka. So I want to ask you, what is the difference between in IAS and IPS? Means what work they have to do in IAS or IPS? What is the difference between in both?
Beta, there is Indian Police Service. IPS means Indian Police Service. So it is all about policing, police job. People, you have seen people. Police on the roads, traffic police, police on doing their job of, when there is some bandobast, some crime is there, and other community policing people do, interacting with the common man, creating awareness about the law, making people aware to follow the law, and all other matter that is related to police. Administration, IS stands for Indian Administrative Service, which relates to administration work. Administration in the sense आप अब जब देखते हो अपने, आप जहाँ भी रहते हो वहाँ पे जो व्यवस्था होती है, जहाँ पे आप घर में रहते हो, तो आपको बिजली चाहिए, आपको पानी चाहिए, आपको वाटर सप्लाई चाहिए, नल चाहिए, राइट, आपको रोड्स चाहिए, आपको अच्छा सिस्टम चाहिए ताकि आप आपके सिटीज में लाइब्रेरी हो, पार्क्स हो. तो ये चीजें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंडर आती हैं. अच्छे स्कूल्स हो, प्राइमरी स्कूल जो होते हैं, अच्छे स्कूल्स हो, ये चीजें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंडर आती है ना. तो जो भी चीजें ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला जीवनासाठी लागतात त्या प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन असते नागरिकांसाठी. त्या गोष्टी इंडियन ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह सर्व्हिस करतात, IAS म्हणून.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.
Sir, what qualification qualifications are required for IAS?
A graduate degree, a person should be graduate. Graduate मतलब after 12th कौन सा भी 3 साल का कोर्स, जैसे BSc भी आ सकता है, BA भी आ सकता है. Person should be a graduate one.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir, are there any restricted attempts for appearing for UPSC exams now?
Yes, there are some restrictions depending upon the category people belong. General category, they have certain restrictions of attempts, and the age also for other categories, OBC, SC, ST, they have different categories. Abhi, you can see those things in online because when I passed, I appeared, it was 14, 15 years back. So the things were totally different at that time. So now you have to see in your website.
Now it is 32 for open and 6 attempts, 35 to OBC and 9 attempts, and for the SC it is 37 age limit only. For the SC, the age limit is 37, no as such attempts. For the OBC candidate, 35 and the 9 attempts. For the general category, that is open, it is 32 and 6 attempts. We shall discuss about that afterwards.
Sir, I have a question. Is it compulsory to take arts for UPSC?
No, nothing like that. It is your choice, your interest. It is your own feeling in which subject you can do better, you like it, where you can give best efforts and get very good marks. So it is not necessary कि आर्ट सायन्स ऐसा कुछ भी नाही आहे, असं काहीच नसतं. तो तुमचा स्वतःचा निर्णय असतो कुठला सब्जेक्ट घ्यायचा.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Sir, this is Maithili Nagrale. Can you clarify some problems or difficulties which we face while studying for UPSC exam?
Say it again, beta.
Sir, can you clarify some problems or difficulties which we face while studying for UPSC exam?
Beta, it won't be possible to clarify doubts because nowadays the exam is different. When I was there, it was different. The pattern has changed. So it won't be possible for me to clarify doubts and questions. In general, I can, as we are now having interaction, I can interact that way, but not the question and what it should be. It will be difficult because each will have own different subjects, and at present the way of exam is different. So it is basically your teacher who will able to teach. There are some well-known teachers in and around your area or in good places like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, or maybe Delhi. So they'll be able to clarify the doubts.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is Mohit Munde from Pune. I want to ask you a question that how can one stay motivated?
Just hold on.
Milind sir, hello, Milind sir. Okay, so related to now Milind sir discussed with you, interacted with you so many things, and he answered your questions. So whatever questions you are having related to preparation, like Maithili just ask one question. So Milind sir join. Milind sir, are you there?
I'm back. Now there was one urgent call.
Okay, no issue. Please. Munde, please continue your question.
Sir, I was asking that how must one keep going whenever he gets a failure while attempting the exam, or how should one stay motivated or focused while attempting? Like you said, it took you 5 attempts to clear the UPSC exam. So what kept you moving every time?
Yes, see, motivation is very important to prepare for competitive exam. Motivation is also a self motivation. तुम्ही स्वतः आतमधून किती मोटिवेटेड आहात, स्वतः किती तुम्ही स्वतःला प्रतिसाद देऊ शकता, तो महत्वाचा भाग आहे. दुसरा, मोटिवेशन वाढवण्यासाठी तुम्ही मानसिक दृष्ट्या स्ट्रॉंग असणे आवश्यक आहे.
नमस्ते सर.
हा मिलिंद, हा म्यूट झाले ते. मिलिंद म्यूट झाले.
हा, माझा आवाज येतोय आता?
हा, येतोय.
हा,
इट्स कमिंग.
नमस्ते. मी हर्षल मुरुमकर.
हा बेटा बोला.
मी मराठी माध्यमचा आहे. तुम्ही IPS होण्यासाठी उत्तर लेखनाची भाषा कोणती घेतली होती?
इंग्लिश. माझं इंग्लिश मीडियम होतं बेटा.
मराठी माध्यमाबद्दल सांगा.
हा, तो मराठी मीडियम मध्ये पण घेऊ शकतो. मराठी मीडियम मध्ये पण तुम्हाला
थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम होतोय कनेक्टिव्हिटीचा. मिलिंद सर, आप हेलो मिलिंद सर, आवाज नहीं येत आहे. मिलिंद सर, हेलो. ठीक है. Harshal, मराठी मीडियम, लाइक फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू कैन टेक एनी मीडियम. आप कोई भी मीडियम ले सकते हो. जैसे हमारी भाषाएं होती है अलग अलग, मराठी होती है, हिंदी होती है, तेलुगु, तमिल, सारी लैंग्वेजेस जो है यूपीएससी अगर देनी है तो वो लैंग्वेजेस आप ले सकते हो, उसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. ठीक है. सो मराठी यू कैन टेक. ओके. एंड और मराठी मीडियम में पढ़ने के लिए बेसिकली लेकिन इंग्लिश के ही बुक्स जो है वो रेफर करना थोड़ा सा आवश्यक होता है. यस.
हेलो.
हाँ.
Hello sir.
हाँ बोला.
Sir, my name is Srushti. Sir, which is the best degree to be IS or graduation?
असं काही नसतं. बेस्ट डिग्री शेवटी तुमचा इंटरेस्टचा विषय. कोणाला आर्ट्स मध्ये जातो, कोणी इंजिनिअरिंग करतो, कोणी डॉक्टर होतो. तर असं काही नसतं की म्हणजे ही बेस्ट डिग्री आहे बा.
Okay sir, thank you.
Hello sir, myself Urvila. I wanted to ask, as you said it took you 5 attempts to crack the exam, so like at the age of 31 you cracked it. So at what age did you actually decide that you wanted to opt for civil services, and what was your main motive that drew you towards that field?
See, I worked in a company. Then after around 5 to 6 years of my experience, then I left because I want to prepare for. At the age of around 26, 27, I started, you can say. And so around at the age of 32, I achieved my result. And that is how I did. What was your next question? Other question also you asked.
Sir, I asked what was your motive, as in what drew you towards the civil services, as why did you want to become an IPS officer?
बेटा, सिविल सर्विस जो जॉब है वो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, एंड इट गिव्स लॉट ऑफ responsibilities to you. When you are in engineering, you are dealing with a particular company, particular organization. But when you are in administration, like police administration, Indian administration, you deal with a variety of subjects, variety of opportunities are there, and that diversity and the ability, to help people when the need arise, that drew me towards civil service.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Hello,
beta.
sir. Can you told me about the struggle that you faced in these 5 years of attempting and giving exam of UPSC?
बेटा स्ट्रगल तो बहुत था, बिकॉज मतलब 5-6 साल प्रिपेअर करना इज नॉट एन इझी टास्क. कठीण गोष्ट आहे ती. आणि मध्ये फेलियर येत असल्यामुळे, अपयश येत असल्यामुळे तो पण एक स्ट्रगल होता की अपयश येते आपण कसं सक्सेसफुल व्हायचं, कसं स्वतःला मोटिवेट करायचं, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी होत्या. आणि हा स्ट्रगल होता. आपण मेंटली स्ट्रॉंग होतो. अपयशाला समोर जाऊन आपण यशाकडे कसं वळायचं याचं सतत तयारी सुरू असायची आणि स्वतःवरचा आत्मविश्वास होता. यामुळेच इथपर्यंत आपण पोहोचू शकलो.
And it is very important to know, see, why we started this foundation course. ये जो आपका जो बाद में जो आप लोगों को स्ट्रगल इस तरह से नहीं करने की व्हाट यू कैन से वो वक्त नहीं आना चाहिए, इसलिए ये सब चल रहा है अभी. ये जो 20 डेज जो है हमारे कल से जो स्टार्ट किया है, और अभी मिलिंद सर जो आपके साथ इंटरेक्शन कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इज फॉर दैट पर्पज ओनली. आप लोग अगर स्कूल एज में इसको डिसाइड करते हो, इसके सारे जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है या फिर स्ट्रेटेजी है, प्रोफेशनलिज्म है, स्ट्रगल है, ये सब अगर आपको अभी पता चलता है तो ही फिर आपका जो आगे एट द एज ऑफ 22 यू कैन बिकम IAS IPS ऑफिसर. आपको ये सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ये सब इंटरेक्शन क्यों हम लोग कर रहे हैं, व्हाई वी आर गिविंग अवर टाइम, व्हाई यू पीपल आर ज्वाइनिंग. सो ये इसका उद्देश्य वही है. मोटिवेशन समझना चाहिए कि क्या मोटिवेशन है. जैसे सर ने कहा कि 4-5 years he worked for the company, but afterwards he realized that instead of going for company he should join some services. So services join करने का उनका मोटिव क्या था कि to help the people. And Milind sir, I would like from my side, this is question, you please share with these students some experiences of your police administration where you dealt with some complicated cases and gave justice to people. So can you please share these kind of cases so that the students will really get impressed or influenced?
Yeah, there are actually many experiences, खूप सारे अनुभव असतात, कारण ऑलमोस्ट डेली असतात अनुभव.
Yes.
आणि त्यामध्ये तुम्ही जेव्हा चांगलं काम करता, तुमच्यामुळे लोकांना एक रिलीफ मिळतो. त्यांना जे इनजस्टिस झालंय ते दूर होतं आणि त्यांना जे समाधान मिळते त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला खूप आनंद मिळतो, एक आत्मिक आनंद तुम्हाला मिळतो. असे बऱ्याच घटना आहेत. मी DCP असताना एक लेडी, एक बाई माझ्याकडे आली आणि ती रडत होती. तिची मुलगी होती. मुलगी तिचा हस्बंड घेऊन गेला. म्हणजे हस्बंडशी पटत नव्हतं, हे वेगळे राहत होते, पण हस्बंडने जबरदस्ती त्या मुलीला घेऊन गेलं, म्हणजे शाळेत भेटण्याच्या निमित्तावरून. आणि ती रडत होती कारण मुलगी आईकडे असायची. मग त्यामध्ये तिला मदत पाहिजे होती. मग आम्ही तिला मदत केली. मी सगळा पोलीस स्टाफ लावला आणि मग त्या हस्बंडला सांगून ती मुलगी आईकडे परत देण्यात आली. तर त्या बाईला खूप आनंद झाला आणि मग तिने माझ्यासाठी स्वीटचा डब्बा आणला मला की सर तुमच्यामुळे. तर ती खूप खुश होती. ते अशा गोष्टी झाल्यामुळे तुम्हाला आनंद मिळतो. दुसरा, अशा काही घटना झाल्या, म्हणजे एक असा मर्डर केस झाला, एक माणसाची हत्या झाली होती. तर आणि तो पळून गेला होता खूप दूर. तर आम्ही त्याला पकडलं आणि मग त्यांच्या ज्या घरामध्ये समाधान मिळालं की अशा व्यक्तीला आम्ही पकडून आणलं बरोबर आणि त्यांना जस्टिस मिळाला. म्हणजे त्यांना एक जे पाहिजे होतं की माझ्यासोबत ही घटना झाली तर तो पकडला गेला पाहिजे, तर त्यांना ते समाधान मिळालं. मग त्या केसमध्ये नंतर त्याला जी सजा व्हायला पाहिजे ती पण झाली. तर अशा बऱ्याच गोष्टी असतात ज्या तुम्हाला दुसऱ्याच्या लाईफमध्ये काही ना काहीतरी पॉझिटिव्ह वे मध्ये कंट्रीब्यूट करता येतं. आणि मग त्यांच्यासाठी ते केल्याने तुम्हाला त्यांची जे एक ब्लेसिंग म्हणा, त्यांचं जे गुडविल असते ते त्याचा तुम्हाला फार फायदा होतो. तर अशा बऱ्याच गोष्टी होत असतात याच्यामध्ये. एकदा आम्ही तेव्हा ट्रॅफिकमध्ये होतो. एक ट्रॅफिक जाम होता आणि एका व्यक्तीला एअरपोर्टला प्लेन पकडायचं होतं त्याला, आणि तो ट्रॅफिकमध्ये अटकला. त्यांनी मला बाय चान्स फोन केले 2-4. मग मी तिथल्या ट्रॅफिकचं सगळं अरेंजमेंट केली ती बरोबर, स्टाफला मग पाठवलं तिथे. मग ट्रॅफिक जाम होता, तो उघडला आणि तो बरोबर राईट टाइम एअरपोर्टला पोहोचला आणि तो अमेरिकेला गेला. आणि अमेरिकेला तरी मग अमेरिकेहून मला फोन केला की सर तुमच्यामुळेच मी अमेरिकेला पोहोचलो. त्यांनी तिथून फोन केला मला. तर ह्या काही अशा गोष्टी असतात ज्या तुम्हाला आनंद मिळतो. त्यांनी ती काळजी घेतली की त्याला काही फोन करायची गरज नव्हती, पण त्याला समजलं की या सरांनी माझी मदत केली, त्यामुळेच मी अमेरिकेत पोहोचलो. माझी फ्लाईट कॅन्सल नाही झाली. मी बरोबर टाइम मध्ये पोहोचून फ्लाईट पकडू शकलो. त्यांनी मला तिथून फोन केला. तर हे अशा घडामोडी असतात जे तुम्हाला लक्षात राहतात.
Yes, yes. These are like we can say these are small things, but these are great for other people. Those who are
Yes, yes.
sufferers, है ना, जो सफरर
Yes,
होते
yes.
हैं उनके लिए
हाँ.
बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
बहुत बड़ी बात है. हाँ.
हाँ, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. So, yes. Any more question to Milind sir?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
हाँ. बोला बेटा.
My question is that it is necessary for being IPS. It is necessary to be good in sports.
No, it's not necessary. It's not necessary.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Sir,
Yes,
which
tell me.
subject we should choose for UPSC exam?
Say it again.
Which subject we should choose for UPSC?
No, I can't say about this because it is you have to see the subjects and you have to make a choice. I cannot say particular this subject should be taken, this subject should not be taken. It is ultimately your interest and your choice that you have to take the subject.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
We shall discuss about this thing in our sessions specifically related to UPSC preparation, right? So many of the students, those who are having these queries in their mind. So ultimately in coming lectures, we shall solve all your queries, right? Yes.
Sir.
And Namrata Patil madam also join. Yeah, welcome Namrata Patil madam, Assistant Commissioner to Provident Fund Department. Madam, आपका mute है. Yes, muted. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
So any more question for Milind sir?
सर माझ्याकडे एक क्वेश्चन आहे, मला सरांना विचारायचं होतं.
Yes, विचारा.
सर ऍक्च्युली माझा क्वेश्चन IFS बद्दल आहे. मला विचारायचं आहे की IFS साठी म्हणजे आपण जेव्हा अप्लाय करून जेव्हा इंटरव्ह्यू द्यायला जातो तेव्हा आणि आपण पास होतो तेव्हा जर आपला चॉईस असतं का की आपल्याला कोणत्या कंट्रीमध्ये जायचंय किंवा ते लोक सांगतात की तुम्ही ह्या कंट्रीमध्ये जाऊ शकता?
नाही, तो आपला चॉईस नसतो. त्यांचं एक सिस्टम असते, वेगवेगळ्या कंट्रीमध्ये कॅटेगराइज केलेलं असते. जसं युरोपियन कंट्रीज ते एक वेगळ्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये असतात, आफ्रिकन कंट्रीज वेगळ्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये असतात, साऊथ आफ्रिकन कंट्रीज आहे, एशियन साऊथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज वेगळ्या कॅटेगरी, आणि प्रत्येकाला तो चान्स मिळतो, ते रोटेट करतात. असं नाही की कोणाला अमेरिकेत किंवा युरोपियन साईडला गेला तो युरोपमध्येच राहील असं नसतं. त्याला आफ्रिकेमध्ये यावं लागतं. एखाद्या व्यक्ती ज्याला आफ्रिकन कंट्रीज मिळतात त्याला युरोपमध्ये पण जावं लागतं. म्हणजे असं रोटेशन असतं. ते असं चॉईस आपली नसते, ते त्या पद्धतीने रोटेट करतात पोस्टिंगला.
सर.
ओके सर.
हा बेटा.
तुमची डिग्री इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये झाली आहे, त्या नॉलेजचा उपयोग पोलीस प्रशासनामध्ये कसा होतो?
नाही, असा काही डायरेक्टली उपयोग नाही आहे. तुमचं इंजिनिअरिंगचं जे बॅकग्राऊंड असते ते कधी काळी कामी येत असते, पण तुमची कुठली ब्रांच आहे इंजिनिअरिंगची त्याच्यावर डिपेंड करतं ते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कोणी कम्प्युटरच असतो तर तुम्हाला, किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स असतो, तर जेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या पोलीस ऍडमिशन मध्ये जाता तुम्हाला सायबर क्राईमच्या वेळेस तुम्हाला ते कम्प्युटर नॉलेज उपयोगी पडतो. आता माझं केमिकल नॉलेज आहे तर ते जास्त उपयोगी पडत नाही. कोणाचं मेकॅनिकल आहे इंजिनिअरिंग तर ते पण जास्त असं उपयोगी पडत नाही. पण म्हणजे काही ब्रांचेस थोडाफार उपयोगी पडतं, पण डायरेक्टली नाही.
ओके सर.
मला एक प्रश्न होता की तुम्ही आता वुमन्स सिक्युरिटीसाठी काय केलं आहे का? जसं तुम्ही आता IPS आहात, तर जसे आता इथे गँग रेप होतात, सर्व काही होतं. तुम्ही वुमन सिक्युरिटी साठी काही तुम्ही केलं का तुम्ही ज्या
बरोबर आहे.
स्टेटमध्ये
बिलकुल केलेलं आहे. आमच्या दिल्ली पोलीसमध्ये असताना हिम्मत प्लस ऍप आम्ही लॉन्च केलं. त्या ऍप्लिकेशन मध्ये लेडीज साठी बऱ्याच सुविधा आहेत. जवळचं पोलीस स्टेशन कुठे आहे, तुम्हाला जर कुठली अर्जन्सी आली तुम्ही लगेच ते बटन दाबलं, SOS बटन दाबलं की लगेच त्या कंट्रोल रूमला मेसेज जातात. तिकडचा लगेच पोलीस स्टेशन जो स्टाफ असतो तो तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचतो, कारण तुमची मोबाईलची लोकेशन ऑटोमॅटिक शेअर होते. ते बरेच ऍप्लिकेशन्स डेव्हलप केलं आहे ना. वुमन लोक टॅक्सी वगैरे पकडतात तर टॅक्सी मध्ये बसतात. आता ओला, उबेर अशा कॅब आल्या आहेत. कधी रात्री पण त्यांना तर त्यानुसार ओनली जे ऑथराइज्ड कॅब्स आहेत, बरोबर कदाचित तो ड्रायव्हर बरोबर नसेल तर त्या अशा काही सिक्युरिटी सिस्टम आम्ही केलेल्या आहे की तो ड्रायव्हर बरोबर आयडेंटिफाईड होतो की या ओला कॅब मध्ये हा ड्रायव्हर आहे आणि हा येईल आणि हा याचा नंबर असा असा आहे आणि तुम्हाला सोबत एक इमर्जन्सी नंबर पण त्या लेडीजला देण्यात येतो की कुठलीही काही अप्रिय घटना होण्याचे काही तुम्हाला वाटत असेल तर तुम्ही लगेच त्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकता. तर अशा ऍप डेव्हलप झालेल्या आहे ना, वुमनला फायदा होतो यातून.
Thank you.
So I feel so many questions asked to Milind sir. Yes, and Milind sir, last suggestion or message to these students, those who are studying in from like 8th standard to 12th standard. Your last suggestion.
Last message is
message.
I
Yes.
remember the statement of our honorable president APJ Kalam साहब का कि सपने हम देखते हैं ना, तो सपना वो नहीं कि जो तुम सोने के बाद तुम्हारे दिमाग में या आंखों के सामने आता है. सपना वो होता है जो तुम्हें सोने नहीं देता.
Exactly.
तो इसी सपने को आप पूरा करिए जो आपको सोने ना दे.
Yes.
ठीक है. So I think that is last message from my side.
Yes, and I express my gratitude for your wonderful interaction with the students, and this interaction will definitely help them to decide their goal of civil services and rest of the services of India. And I hope कि with this interaction, positively they will secure their career at the age of 22. So 22वें साल में ये लोग बिल्कुल ऐसे इंटरेक्शन के माध्यम से प्रेरित होके at the age of 22, they will definitely become IAS, IPS, or whatever officers. So thank you, dear friend.
Yes.
Thank you, dear friend, and continue your association with Sambodhi and okay, Sambodhi.
Yeah, thank you, my dear
and
students.
take care.
I wish you all the best and thank you, Mangesh. It was lovely interacting with the children. Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, dear.
Thank
you. Okay, take care. Bye. Thank you very much. Okay. So now, just a minute. So student, just now we finish our interactive session with Milind Dumbere sir, who is presently working as the Deputy Inspector General of Police at Pondicherry, and he is the senior most person in police administration. Because of time crunch, we finish that session in 45 minutes. I hope कि like most of the students, they got answer to their queries satisfactory. Okay. So now we are starting our second session.